Where them a bill up and we can't afford
What do you
it.
think about the government taxing us after a major hurricane?
Government can't contact we after this a major hurricane. Everybody lose everything where they have. And we don't get back together yet. So how if you put in tax?
Yeah.
Tell me the truth.
That's not right.
It can't right. The government have to do something better. And we put him in, and we see him when we take him out back.
Yeah. So you say you got tax like rum, cigarette, and sugary drinks. But you must say you have your own good health. You feel like in just a tax the things that we buy often, I don't care about we health.
I don't really we don't care about, them I use that as fake. Yeah. Because them we have to care about free health ourselves.
Yeah.
But I just the tax. Where them a bill up and we can't afford it. We just had to go through this major disaster. And we need to set back we self. We are Jamaican. How we mean? So we are Jamaican. Everybody know say Jamaica. We have the full profile. So we need to set ourselves before a government come up with tax business. Food. You have to look back and say the amount of food we use in Jamaica and all this something and then still import food that come out Jamaica, yeah. They need to do better. We are looking for the government to do better angle with better. Right.
So with the state of the economy and the cost of living, you feel like say now is the right time for the Prime Minister accept the increase within salary?
With him salary?
Yeah.
So what happened to full salary? Him have to tell we about full salary first. Because they can't just increase for them salary, and then look for full salary and them increase tax for we. That can't right.
Alright, thank you. Alright. What do you think about the government that implement new tax after a major hurricane?
I don't think him should implement it right now. I think him should wait first.
How long you thinking should I wait though?
Till next year.
Alright, so you say you got tax, cigarette, rum, and sugary drink. So you know say them thing they are top seller in our country. So you feel like him actually care about we health. I'm just a target the money.
I more think of the money. I don't have a problem with the cigarette and the alcohol still, but I more think of the money. I think the sugary drink, they need to do something about the sugary drink as well. You know.
So you don't feel like they should have banned the importation of certain things and if they're that concerned.
Definitely. Certain things where they know, create a problem, they should have banned it.
So you feel like Jamaica, with the cost of living and thing, you feel like Jamaica can manage the new tax right now?
No, I don't think right now. Not right now. Not right now. To what happened to the hurricane, not right now.
So how you feel if you know say we are struggle so on a day-to-day basis with cost of living and thing, and the Prime Minister him alone I make 28 million a year. You don't feel like that could have some of them money that could have go towards the tax?
Definitely. Him deserve a raise, but I think they could have go better. They could do better. They could do better.
So you feel like what you think about the cost of living currently in Jamaica?
It's rough. It's rough. It's a struggling thing we go through right now. Everybody has feel it. Some me I say them act like them now feel it, but everybody has feel it.
What do you think about the government that tax it after a major hurricane?
Well, it's very hard, because after Melissa Category 5 hurricane, it's very hard. Got people trying to get themselves back together. But if the taxes are going to be used to help, like those down in Western Jamaica, by getting more taxes helping those in Western Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, that would be good if you are going to use the taxes to help them. Because you say, well, okay, getting some more money to help out the unfortunate ones. But you're not going to do that. It is a strain on everybody's pockets.
Alright, so you say I'm gonna tax things like cigarette, rum, and most noticeably the sugary drink. So you feel like him just a target the things that we buy often or them actually care about our health?
Well, I think the sugary drinks, well, I don't know if taxing the sugary drinks will help. But because people just love them sweet drinks still. And still, even when tax it may cost less than the drinks that than the regular natural drinks. So taxing sugar drink is to help you to cut off and stop buying the sugar drinks. That is a plus there. But will people stop? I don't think so. So I don't think taxing it, no matter how many tax and sugar drink, going to help. I swear, even cigarette and rum, they tax it as much and still people still buy it. So I don't see.
feel like say the money matter.
I,
No, so people are gonna buy regardless.
right, so the government will get more money from it.
Yeah,
But the thing is, no, when they get more money, what use will they use it for? If they use it to help benefit poor people, to fix the roads, fix the street light them,
yeah,
and water problem and those things, that is good. But if you're just going to take it and throw it where in what you call the consolidated fund and bury it and people and all don't get the benefit of it, it doesn't make sense. You know.
So with the state of the economy and the cost of living, we go through it every day. So you feel like Jamaica can really manage the new tax?
Um, right now we can't, but and it's a it seems like it's a bullet that we have to go and bite right now because things hard and you say don't waste much up. But the thing is though, we have heard much about we have heard something about the monies being collected and what you get from abroad, but we haven't heard much about it in terms of right distribution and use of it. And it should be really used to help people in the Western Jamaica who have been badly damaged, and others in the central area who have been damaged too, like some parts of Clarendon and Manchester, but and even St. and Trelawney. But if it's not going to be beneficial to the people, to the public, it is not. It is not good. It is not good at all. It,
I mean with some new tax. But we just go through a hurricane. How you feel about that?
Well, the hurricane do plenty damage, you know. Whole heap.
Yeah, so you feel like now at time for hit Jamaica with new tax.
Well, everybody have to feel it still, you know, but you say everybody want a little help, you know. Yeah, not all.
Alright, so when him say my taxes, he say I go tax rum and cigarette and sugary juice in aid for reduce how we deal with it. You feel like say him just a target the things that we make where we sell often or him a do it for our own good.
So what? So what? So what?
He say I go tax like sugary drinks, cigarette and rum. So you feel like him just a target the things then where we buy often or you feel like him a do it for our own good health.
Well, yeah, well, in my target, I'm happy country.
Do you feel like say Jamaica economy in a condition for the new tax?
Well, I mean, I don't know what to say, you know.
Do you not feel like life hard at Jamaica?
Yes, I am, and it go better.
Do you not feel like new tax are gonna make you worse?
They go worse as far you see right now. Every day things are raised, every day. So, it's a country now better, yeah, man.
Your country not better.
No, sir. It's a, as far as I look, it's a country now better till God come. For,
God come.
yeah, for you say that the one they going are the same thing. That the one they come out and the next one going are the same thing.
Yeah.
So, municipality go better, better. They tell you the truth.
So you don't feel like say if a politician them cut them pay, you don't feel like that can go towards the tax them?
Cut pay.
Yeah. And just say I'm gonna take in 28 million and now. You feel like the timing wrong?
Well, if you even take it, you see, if you even, if you even take it, as, as far as, as far as me I see, some place might get a little help, and some place just the same, just the same. For right now, you see this time we blow over him, at the day yonder, plenty people get help. For me come off, for me on the day right now,
Yeah.
plenty people as, asleep on him and I can't bless her right now.
Yeah, so that means say timing wrong then.
So me not surprised it go better me dear brother.
Oh.
I tell you the truth.
Alright.
All right.
Yeah, man. So the government say I'm gonna start tax cigarette, rum, and sugary drinks. What you think about that?
That is very wrong. For you know that we have struggle in our country and you know that enough of we not have no job. So if you do better than that. Yeah,
And we just go through a major hurricane. What you think about the timing of the new tax?
that is very wrong timing in the new tax. For you never have to put new tax on without go to a big hurricane. Where we not even fully recover for yet. So in them need we do better.
Alright, so as we know, I don't know about you, but for me, cost of living high and hard. So you feel like say with the cost of living, Jamaicans can manage more tax.
No, we can't manage no more tax with the minimum wage where we are get. For that there's no money for we get. For everything expensive already. So we can't go through too much of that again.
So you feel like with the new tax then we forget some new wage increase then.
Yes, we feel like if we get some more rate increase. Then can't argue with that they look up a percent and expect we go pay more kind of tax.
So how you feel for know say Prime Minister take home 28 million a year and we are gonna go through some new tax and the hardship.
That is very bad. I know for we they are suffer. No for we not in a roof over we head. And him must take home too much and help we. And the people them were in a poor, when we go to them go ask them for help, they not help we. So me feel say that is very bad.
Respect, yeah.
Man.
New taxing after a major hurricane. What you think about that?
But then when we get the new tax, 'cause everybody have to pay.
So then say them a go tax sugary drinks, alcohol and cigarette. You feel like that for we health or it's just a money making thing?
I don't know money making thing, 'cause alcohol no good for you. Smoking no good for you neither. Mm.
So you feel like that a change nothing?
Not change. Can't change.
So the man say like all Netflix, all the people that will shop online and them thing there, all them thing them a go tax. You feel like Jamaica economy in a good condition for them new tax there?
I mean, I know about that part there. You know. Can't tell you nothing about that part there.
Alright. Based on the cost of living though in a Jamaica, you feel like now I did the right time for the Prime Minister accept that big wage there?
Boy, I can't tell you, you know. Can't say that.
Yeah, answer that. So what you think about the whole new tax thing we are coming in general? Your honest opinion.
But the whole of we have to pay the tax.
So you don't have a problem with it then?
Whether you have problem with it or not, you still have to pay it.
Yeah.
Come here, you can't tap it.
Okay.
Simple as that.
So what you don't want to tell him about it then?
I can't tell him nothing because no matter what you say to him, he not reduce it.
Yeah.
And no.
Alright, respect.